How to make quick money in one day with affiliate marketing. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make quick money in one day with affiliate marketing. I'm actually going to share with you two different ways on how you can do this, and I'm going to share with you everything you need to know actually on how to do this method. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload on a consistent basis videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we get started here, make sure you watch the whole video, pay attention, because I'm going to share with you a lot of tips on how you can implement this quick way actually on how you can make quick money with affiliate marketing. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online with this method and much more, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video that you can have a look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's save ourselves time and let's get started to make some quick money online here with affiliate marketing. Let's get started. Alright, so as you can see here, I'm actually at Amazon site here, and we are talking about Black Friday. Now, before you jump into any conclusions here, as I said, make sure you stick here and pay attention, because there is actually more than Black Friday. So what I mean with two different ways is that we have actually also Cyber Monday. Alright? Is it too late? Well, if you're lazy, it might be too late for you. But if not, you can definitely make a few extra bucks, some quick money with affiliate marketing here. And the first example that I'm going to show you is on here, of course, on Amazon. What you can do is you can go through the Black Friday deals here, okay? So you can quickly see that there is thousands of products that is going to be live for Black Friday. So all you need to do is actually search for Black Friday deals and promotions. You can see here, and now you can see that there are so many products that you can promote. Basically on Amazon, as an affiliate marketer, you earn 4 up to 10% for some products, but let's say in overall that you make 4%, okay? So it's not bad at all. But what is the best thing here? The best thing is that Amazon has a cookie, a 24-hour cookie, which means that, let's say for example that I promote this product here, okay? So now I purchased this, but I'm also looking for some other Black Friday deals. Let's say that I want to buy, for example, this product too. So I buy this and you will make a commission of that too. So this is the cool thing with it. Now, regarding on how you can promote this, I'm going to share with you a few methods here. The first one is actually using YouTube. Why not make a YouTube video and go and be specific here, okay? So let's demonstrate here on how you can actually do some quick money with uploading this on YouTube, for example here. All right, let's go here. For example, let's say that this is a product to promote here. Save on Garmin, we have Garmin here, so pick just one, okay? Pick this Garmin Forerunner 945. So let's see if I just take this and go to YouTube. Let's open YouTube here in a new tab, and if I just put it in here, this is cool, right? Okay, so you see here that there is a lot of people, but what you're going to do here is you're going to do review, and you are going to do something like this: crazy Black Friday deal. You can change that to capitals later. Oops. All right, let's go again here. So you see here, who is ranking for Black Friday deal? No one. So I hope that you realize that you are going probably to be ranked pretty high here, okay, if you upload this video today, and or you can change this one to the best. All right, use your imagination here, because what matters is the title here. So people are searching for Garmin Forerunner, so if I'm going to buy this or not, but if I see that there is a best Black Friday deal, then I'm definitely going to click that link, and you are going to make a pre-sale video only. Alright, so don't overcomplicate this. What you can do is you can go actually to this site here, grab these pictures, do a slideshow, talk a little bit about the Garmin Forerunner 945, use a little bit of text maybe inside there. You can do quickly this video in 1 hour or something like that. Take the keywords here, look at the top ranking keywords. You can use neither vidIQ or of course TubeBuddy. Look at this. If I open up TubeBuddy, for example, it's pretty good, okay? If I have best Black Friday deal. Now I'm not sure. Crazy Black Friday deal. Alright, so what you can do is also put in 2019, for example. Alright, so it's probably not going to show you. It says that it's still the same, but look at this. There are only 132 videos that you're competing with. So use your imagination here, okay? I mean, instead of review, take this off and do something like this. Crazy Black Friday deal. Whoops, there you go again. Alright, so you can use your imagination, as I said, but you can definitely rank for this and people are going to pay attention. Look at this. Early Black Friday Garmin deals. There is already someone who has done this 14 hours ago. Alright, so you are not alone, but you still can do this. There is still chance for it. So that is one way, okay? And Amazon, as I said, has thousands of products that you can promote. Alright, so now you might say that, okay, I don't have an Amazon account, Artan, what am I going to do? I'm done, okay? No, you're not done, because use your imagination once again here. You can go to something like ClickBank here. Let's give you another example. Go to OfferVault. Here we have OfferVault, and if you just type Black Friday, you'll find tons of offers that you can promote, alright? I showed you actually. If I go through here on my resource pages, I can guarantee you I get every single day about Namecheap is going to run Black Friday deals. Hosting, this I did a video about. I showed you how I earned $50 in PayPal money. Search for this video. Go and start to promote Fast Comet for free here with my link here, so you can sign up here to promote your hosting. Search for this video, go and click this link here, apply, and you are going to get approved to get started to promote hosting. Alright, I'm going to share with you a few more ways here, so stick with me. Now let's go to ClickBank. I just typed Black Friday and look at this. The first thing, we have Natural Synergy Black Friday sale this weekend. So this sells for normally, I think it's 45 actually, and they're going to drop it to 27. So let's open this in a new tab to have a look at the affiliate details here. And you can quickly read through here and see what this is all about. But here you're going to enter your email, your name and email, of course, as an affiliate. So let's say that we already signed up here to have a look at the affiliate material here. So you get tons of material here that you can use, all right? We have, yes, exactly as I said, it's $47. And here's how to get started fast. You can see here, no requirement, you must have a ClickBank affiliate, so you don't need to get approved here, okay? It goes super fast. And you can see here, you can use this article, try to write it in a bit of unique way, of course, or if you're going to use it in the video, just read through, make it unique again, once again there. Here we have some emails that you also can use, of course. Tons of material actually, alright? So use all this material and let's go to YouTube here once again. Let's see here, Natural Synergy. So if I just do something like this, alright? Natural Synergy, look, someone is already has done this, but it was last year, 12 months ago. All right, best Black Friday deal 2019. There you go. Now people are going, okay, so okay, now I see basically I got some other Black Friday deals here, but if you use this Natural Synergy review and Black Friday deal, best Black Friday deal, crazy Black Friday deal, and you put in 2019, you're definitely going to get some attention there. People are going to have a look at it. You are going to do, look at this. This is tiny URL. I do suggest to go to Bitly. I recommend this. They are better in my opinion, actually. And you're going to get a long ClickBank link here. So you're going to shorten it, and it's going to look something similar like this. All right, so use that. So if I just go here back to Natural Synergy Cure System, look at this. There we have Bitly link, and let's open it up to see.
The program has been formulated by Emily J. Parker. He has put into the program an extensive...
Okay, this is a robotic voice. In my opinion, avoid this. I think Google actually has some good systems in place that they can recognize. So why not go ahead and talk, okay? If you're afraid to be in the front of the camera, just speak out loud the article, do a unique twist, as I said, put in some pictures here, and you are done, okay? You can definitely rank high with this product here. And of course you're going to use your Bitly link at the top here at the description. Leave the article inside here also. It will help you to rank there, and you are good to go. All right, so when you have uploaded it, all you need is to start to promote that video. Okay, you can use tons of ways to promote it. You can go to Facebook, you can go straight to Facebook, actually do a post. All right, I shared this so many times in the past here. I usually take the Make Money Online, you see here, join groups like this one, go inside and post and say, I do have a crazy Black Friday deal on a cool energy product or something like that. All right, hit me up if you're interested, and or let's say that you post more info below here. So then you're going to drop them a private message, of course. Now you can of course put in some more effort by doing an article on blogger.com. I'm just showing you mine here, or if you have of course your own like I have here, my blog and my site, you can also put it up here. So there are so many ways here. Okay, we have Twitter also. I forgot that totally. You can go ahead and promote actually on Twitter as well. Go straight with a link, or go actually and promote to that video. I just uploaded that video. Check it out. Crazy Black Friday deal and so on. Okay, so there you have it. Now you are going to get busy for the next 2 days, but as I said, do not worry, because there is also Cyber Monday. Now Cyber Monday, you know that you can have a lot of tech stuff here. So I mean, there are, for example, TV, computers, there are so many things on Cyber Monday deals. So you can use the same videos that you have uploaded. Let's say that you do a quick video about this as a Black Friday deal. Use the same video, or you can upload a new with a twist and put it up on Cyber Monday deal. Use an affiliate link below and go ahead and promote that. Alright, there you have it. I think I probably covered everything you need to know here. All you need to do is actually get started now, take action, and make some quick money in 1 day with affiliate marketing here. Now, if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business with affiliate marketing and much more, then you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship, and much more. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation at my end screen here. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.